This is the hibiscus. You pluck the flower. This is the hibiscus flower. You wash them in water. After washing, you place them in the soup. Add water to the sprayer, approximately. For that you will add 6 liters. Yes, 6 liters of water. And then you light your fire. I prefer using this one because it's very quick. The Meko Kuni has a lot of heat and it's and then you place your hibiscus on top. You let it boil to its boiling point. You let it boil until it's really boiled. And then you can remove it and cool it then. After a few minutes it starts boiling. That's how it looks like. It turns to red. It looks like Ribena.